The best way to reheat leftover pizza so it tastes like it was just delivered to you. Ever microwaved leftover pizza and it came out soggy and flat? Or put it in the oven and it came out crispy but didn't have the same melted cheesy goodness mouthfeel? Here's how I solved that. You'll need a microwave, an air fryer, and some leftover pizza from your fridge to do this. Step 1. Grab your pizza from the fridge and put it in the microwave for 20 to 30 seconds. I have mine on at 1000 watts and 20 seconds. It's gonna look soggy, but it's okay, we're just doing this to make sure the cheese is melted and moist. Step 2. Pop it in the air fryer on high for 5 to 7 minutes. I have mine at 200 degrees. I like to air fry mine till it chars on the top a little. And voila! Melted cheese on the inside, crispy on the outside. Try it out and let me know if it's bomb.